Hey y'all, it's Brit today. Okay, and I'm just gonna get into it. I got a Influenster box. I'm assuming benefit stuff, being that it says benefit on the thing. But yeah, so we're going to open up my camera because I wanted to open it, but I was like, no, I'll leave it closed. But okay, it has been a minute since I got anything from Influenster, and I don't know if that was my fault for accidentally forgetting to fill out everything. But the last thing I got was like Jack Black facial stuff, and I forgot to say anything about that or show anything, but my bad. But okay, so there's card inside, and there is Gimme Brow Volumizing Pencil. Okay. Okay, and shade warm golden blonde. So we'll see how that works. Okay, nothing else in the box. I just had to make sure. But okay, I'm going to sadly erase one of my eyebrows and show you guys the pencil. So, okay, I'm gonna read it before I do that. 90% said the brow instantly looked volumized. 12-hour long wear, transfer proof, waterproof, natural looking, texture, fullness, easy, mess free application. Okay, so I was technically having problems with this brow anyways this morning when I was putting it on, so she's going. Goodbye. I'm kind of sketchy about the blonde just because I've been doing this auburn shade from the pomade for so long, so it's gonna feel completely weird to see blonde instead of what I do have. But yeah, I look completely crazy, and could you imagine me going in public just like one brow on, one brow off? Yeah, that would be wild. Okay. So, Gimme Brow Volumizing Pen. You're gonna hear a lot of stuff outside. They're working on our ditches in front of our area. So, okay. That is the pencil portion, and then you have the little spoolie on the inside or on the butt. So, funny thing is, I started off doing my eyebrows with pencil, so I just used the Maybelline pencil, and they were always like, I don't remember what the shade was called right this second, but it was always like closer to my natural hair color, so you can definitely for sure tell two different colors. I don't know if blonde would work for me in general. I'm not big into doing pencil anymore, being that I can use the I'm like completely it looks so wicked right now, but I don't use pencil anymore, being that I use the brush, and so sorry, I gotta scoot closer. But I use the brush and that actually defines like the shape of my brows and everything a lot easier. But I mean, I'm trying with this pencil. I don't really do pencil anymore, but oh jeez, I for sure like this color and the shape a lot more. I'm definitely not knocking pencil. Maybe if it was a little bit darker, I don't necessarily know like how they map it out, like whenever like you tell them the colors that you, because I was pretty sure I did a darker color, but I don't know. So I don't know what happened. But yeah, for me, I don't get the most precise thing with the pencil, and I find myself like having to do this where I like cut it and try to shape the tail end. But okay, it's not horrible. If I was just okay, give me a second, I'll show you what happens. Okay, it's not horrible. It's just really weird because I'm used to seeing my brows a lot darker, especially like I wear like poppy makeup, so the darker makeup with the darker eyebrows kind of like suits my face better. But I like how smooth it works and how much it like actually does pay off for me even being a light shade. How easy it goes on. The only thing I would I don't know what happened when picking colors, so I would go darker just to match my actual hair. But I guess for like if I was a blonde, because it said Geez, I'm like done lost warm golden blonde, so I guess if it was like closer to that would be okay. But I like how smooth it goes on and like how quick you can do it. That's why I used to do brow pencil all the time, because I'd not have much time and I'd run out the house and everything. But anyways, if you like pencil, I think this would be definitely for sure. And I like the length of it and everything, and like the size and all that, because the Maybellines were like really short, like they're like that short, and you don't have much of a grip, and you're like, so you can kind of like find your gripping on here and then like kind of like do your own thing. But for me, I do like the pomade and the brow pencil, or brow. Whew. I'm trying to say wand, but it's not brush. Jeez. Anyways, I like doing it that way, but they're not horrible. Like it's not horrible. Like if I had to go back to doing pencil, this is definitely probably something I could pick up just in a darker shade that was closer to my hair color. But yeah, okay, so that is the miniature little review, and I plan on doing more reviews and all that as the time goes on, but I also plan on doing more like my detailed looks that I used to do with my Mayron palette, because like this is a mess and yet still has a long way to go for me to do looks and create. So yeah, but I thank y'all for being with me through all the weirdness and everything. But I hope y'all have a wonderful day, wonderful week, and also weekend, because when I post this will probably be closer to the weekend. So all right, y'all stay safe, have fun, and I love you. Bye.